So today in this module we are going to discuss about marketing automation. Yeah. So in this module we are going to cover all these topics. So let me start one by one. So let's start with the what is marketing automation. Before understanding what is marketing automation, let's know what is automation. Automation is nothing but a process which is done automatically, a process or a task which is done automatically in a routine without any human interaction. So that is nothing but a automation. And in automation, in marketing automation is a software. Marketing automation is a software that handles a routine marketing task without the need of human actions. Yes, there might be some routine task which is done daily or hourly basis or in random times that has been done by automatically by marketing automation. That is nothing but as a marketing automation. Let me give you few of examples. For example, if you are going to buy any kind of product from app, or if you're going to order any food from the Swiggy, then you might be getting a continuous notifications, right? For example, if I have added some of if I have bought some of shoes or t-shirts, I might be getting some kind of notifications like your product is in this warehouse, your product has been dispatched. You might be getting these kind of notifications, right? You might be also getting thank you for buying, and you will be getting notifications like your food is on its way, your delivery partner has been assigned. So these type of messages which has been sent to you is a marketing automation. Okay, I hope you understand what is marketing automation. So let's move to the next point. So, how marketing automation is important for companies? In today's world, automation is very important in every industry, and because it helps the work efficiency. We're gonna discuss one by one points. Let's start with nurturing customers. So, how marketing automation helps in nurturing customers by keep on engaging and keep on connecting with the customers through messages or emails or WhatsApp messages, by keep on connecting with them, by keep on giving information about the company, about the business, about the industry, about the product, about the services. So by keep on educating them, you can nurture the customer, and yeah, you can nurture the customers. So another point is best customer services. So how marketing automation provide best customer services? How? So you might have seen some kind of chatbot option in every website or app, right? If for example, if a customer getting any kind of issues or complaints, they might go to the website where they have uh, taken the services, and they can communicate with the chatbots. Right, they can communicate with the chatbots and explain their complaints, and they can raise a ticket on that. Or yeah, like that the customer gets a services in a quick with a quick replies. Like for example, if a customer went to a website and he's trying to call a company for to raise a complaint, and there might be no one another part to pick up the call, right? But in the chatbot, in the automated chatbots, you will get quick replies. Even if someone went to the website and he want to get educated about the business, or he want to know about the product, they can clearly, or he want to explore other multiple products in that company. So in chatbots, he can get quick replies, and he can educate about the product, or he can raise a complaint with the help of chatbot automation. That also nothing but as a marketing automation. By doing that, customer gets a good services, and we get a good review from the customer. There will be good image of the company will be built, right? Next is increase customer true trust factor, right? So how the customer trust factor will be increased? For example, if I am going to buy a t-shirt, right? If I'm going to buy or shoes, so if I'm getting a continuous notification of my product status, like where it is, and when it's going to be delivered to me. For example, if I am buying a shoes, and it shows today is your product is going to arrive. So this kind of notification, if I'm getting continuously, and I'm getting updated from the company, or if I'm done some kind of, if I'm buy some kind of courses, I'm getting a continuous notification like thank you for connecting, our experts will connect to your achieve your milestone, this kind of notification if I'm getting, the customer will increase a trust factor towards the company, right? Another thing is educate customers. So how you are going to educate customers? There are thousands and lakhs of customers who visit your website every day, and they bounce back, right? And they might have seen a single product from your website. Your business might have 10 to 15 products, okay? And a customer visits your website and he saw 2 to 3 products and he bounced back, right? You can educate your customers by keep on connecting and keep on engaging them through email, WhatsApp, SMS, by giving them push notifications. You keep on giving them information about your product, and you can also aware about your product. They might have not awareness about the product which you are selling, right? You can create a awareness in by sending them a email or WhatsApp or SMS, and you can educate the customer and you can pull them back to your website by giving them these kind of informations about the company or about the product, right? And another thing is work efficiency. Like I said, most of now automation, marketing automation is important in every industry. How? There might be for example, if 10 customers are visiting your website every day and 10 customers are buying your product or services, right? You might be sending you might be sending messages manually, thank you for buying and all, and you might be sending an email like thank you for buying and all, right? But if it is 20, what if it is 100, what if it is 1000, what if it is in lakhs of customers are buying your product? You cannot send each and every customer, right? You can send the bulk messages, thank you for buying, but you can personalize, right? You cannot send for example, if customer one is name is some kind of Ramesh and customer two name is Suresh, you cannot send them a personalized message, right? For example, if I'm sending a bulk message, I will be sending like thank you for buying. But if I create a marketing automation, I can send a personal message, thank you Ramesh for buying our product, thank you Suresh for buying, like this. You can personalize your messages and mails, and you can send lakhs of mails and lakhs of messages in a single click. Yeah, and that's how the work efficiency works well by using marketing automation. Okay, so next, why do we need marketing automation? I hope you got to know why do we need marketing automation by our previous slide, but let me explain a little bit more in this. You can generate a best leads. Someone visits your website but haven't buy your product, or someone visited your app and they add the product in the cart but they haven't buy, right? But by keep on engaging and keep on giving them push notification, you can push them to buy your product by giving them offers, and by giving them some kind of discount, scholarship, and these type of things. You can send them and you can generate the leads over there. You can get leads, and for example, if and for those leads you can convert them into sales. If you're generating some kind of leads by sending them a push notification, you can also send them a notification which makes them to buy your products. You can convert those leads into the sales, right? And saving time, like I said in this previous slide, work efficiency. Yeah, you can save your time, like lakhs of messages and mails you can send automatically, or you can create a automation which works automatically every day. You don't need to work on it, you just need to monitor sometimes, and you can just leave that, and that messages and that emails and that marketing funnel will be in the automation. It will be, the process is continuously running by marketing automation. You can save too much time and the work efficiency will be good over there, right? Increase the customer satisfaction. Like I said over here, best customer service by giving them some kind of reliefs, like by sending them you have achieved this milestone, or thank you for buying, or you can keep on updating about the product or service they have bought. So you can increase the customer satisfaction over there. Hmm? And customer retention. What is customer retention? Customer retention is nothing but if a customer came to your website and bought your product, and he visited your website again and he continuously buying many other multiple products from your company. That is nothing but a customer retention. You can create a customer retention by giving them a suggestion. For example, if I went to your website and your is e-commerce website, so okay, and I saw the shoes, black shoes, so I'm going to buy that. So while buying, there will be some suggestions, right? I think you have seen in Amazon, while buying the shoes, you will get a suggestion of complete outfit, t-shirt, shoes, and the pant, and the watches as well. So they suggest you many other products, so you might get interested and you might buy other products as well, or you might get put it into add to cart, and you after few days or after few weeks you might buy other products as well. So by doing marketing automations, you can create a customer retention as well. So by doing all these things, you can hit your business goals, that is increasing the revenue, right? You can hit your business goals, that is increasing your revenue. So by doing all this marketing automation, and there are many other types of marketing automation, by doing all those things, you can hit the company's goal, that is increasing the revenue, right? So next, you might be thinking now that I have said in all these slides that sending messages, SMS or emails. So you might be thinking it is nothing but as a message marketing or email marketing. No, it's completely opposite. Marketing automation is not same as a message marketing. You can personalize the targeting as per the customer's behavior, as you can see in the image. By doing marketing automation, you can personalize the target as per the customer's behaviors. For example, if someone is looking for a t-shirt, right, like I said in the previous, if someone is looking for the t-shirts, and uh, you just imagine there is 1,000 data, and 300 people are looking for sleeveless shirts, and 300 people are looking for half sleeve shirts, and another 200 people are looking for shoes, and another 200 people looking for some other products, xyz products, right? So how you can send a message, what are the behaviors of the customers, how you can do that. For example, if a customer who will put the product into add to cart, but he's just waiting for the discount, and some of them has put their product into add to cart and they forgot to buy. So you can understand the customer behavior by getting insights by doing marketing automation, and you can send them a personalized message that will make them, that will push them to buy your products, and ultimately you will get a sale. So message marketing is completely different. Message marketing is something that is completely different topic, and marketing automation is completely different topic. So I hope you got to know what is message email marketing and what is marketing automation. So yeah, next slide. Marketing automation funnel. Like I said, we will get a raw leads, you might get a raw leads, and by doing nurturing them active leads, matlab, means keep on giving them updates about status about the product or services, you can create those raw leads into a marketing qualified leads, right? By educating them, by giving them information about the company or the product, you can create those raw leads. Means like just no, just a raw leads, you can create them into marketing qualified leads by doing marketing automation. And even in the CRM, you can create a marketing automation. Every CRM has automation option. In that also, you can create a marketing automation to convert those marketing qualified leads into sales qualified leads, as you can see in here. MQL is nothing but as a marketing qualified leads, SQL is nothing but as a sales qualified leads. So once you convert the raw leads into marketing qualified leads, you can convert those marketing qualified leads into sales qualified leads. How? Yeah. So once the marketing qualified leads are in the CRM, so there will be different stages, right? Some of leads will be in not interested stages, some of leads will be in callback stages, or some of leads might not flexible with the fee or flexible with the price of the product, right? There will be in different stages. You can segregate the stages by using marketing automation, and you can send them a personalized notifications related to their stages. For example, if someone is looking for a discount, so I will be in a discount stage, right? I For me, you are sending a 10 to 15% discount notifications. Some stages will be like not interested stages, someone is not interested because he is not aware about the product, so you can send him awareness about the product, so he can understand the product and the importance of the product of the importance of the product, and that not interested might get into an interested one. So like that, MQL can be converted into SQL by using marketing automation. And once it is into SQL, then it is no longer time span that he will be into buying stage. So the customer will be ultimately push himself into to buy your product or services. Once they buy, you can create another automation. Marketing automation not only work until you get a sales, it is also after sales. Like once you got the sale, you can also create a automation to make the customer visit your website or visit your app again and again and buy other products as well. So by doing customer retention marketing automation, once you keep on retaining them, and they will be buying again, so this loop is continuous, right? So marketing automation is important in, so you can see in this funnel, the marketing automation is important from the top to end. Yeah, perfect. I hope you understand this. So next, while creating marketing automation in CRM, so how we are not only in CRM, in other email or any kind of marketing automations, how you gonna create? So there is something called as if condition, else condition, and multi if else conditions, or trigger point conditions. So these are the things, by using these conditions and these functions, you can create a automation. Regarding that, if and if else conditions, all those topics will be covered in the upcoming topics. So for now, this is overall about marketing automation. So how the marketing automation is works, how marketing automation works, and how marketing automation is important in every industry, and how by using marketing automation the company gets a revenue, company gets increase in the revenue, and company can grow by using marketing automation, and company can grow in the long term basis by using marketing automation. Automation is nothing like for a 2 days or 3 days you can set automations. You can create a automation for 6 months, you can create a automation for years, that even the lead detail is in your CRM. Your marketing automation will trigger, if you set a timer as a once year, the message will be sent after the 1 year to the customer, and you can keep on engaging and keep on connecting with them even after a year. So this is how marketing automation works, and this is how marketing automation is important. In upcoming model, we are going to learn about if else condition and trigger point multi if else conditions. So I hope you understand all this, and thank you.